Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Happy new month. So here is a creative pink and red cut crease eyeshadow look. I basically created this look for Valentine's Day, but I didn't get to post it, so I'm showing you guys step by step on how I created this look. So I started with priming my lid. So I used a primer, and afterwards I went ahead to apply the eyeshadow. After applying a red eyeshadow, the first eyeshadow color I used is red. Then I went into a more deeper tone, red tone, and I applied that directly in my crease just to intensify that side and to give it like a gradient effect from the first color to the second one. So I went ahead to use a cotton board. I dipped the cotton board into micellar water and I used that to clean my lid out up onto the part where my crease is visible, because that's the area I like to cut my crease. I mean, that's the area you should cut your crease if you want your crease to come out crisp and you want it to come out neat. After that, I went ahead to use a concealer to clean out the crease. The essence of cleaning out the crease first with micellar water is to make sure that the color you are going to be putting on your lid does not interfere with the one that is from the crease color. So after that, I went to apply different eyeshadow colors. The first one was a very light one. I think I used white. Then the second one was purple. The third one was one of the colors I used in the crease. Then I went ahead to draw out a heart shape. And after that, I cleaned the middle part. I applied a nude eyeshadow color in the middle part. Then the outer part of the heart shape, I used purple and I blended it out really well. Then I went ahead to stick on rhinestone. These are stones I got from a tailor store, like a fabric store. Then I went ahead to apply my lashes, and that is all I did with the eyes. And in the inner part where I applied the lighter shade, I also put like a glitters there, like really nice reflective effect. I added it in that part. Then over to my skin, I applied my foundation. That is from UJV. I have a tutorial on that. It's on my TikTok. So if you are not following me on my TikTok, please go ahead and follow me on my TikTok. I have really short, amazing arc and makeup and beauty tutorials over there. So I went ahead to apply that with a beauty puff. Guys, I don't know if you guys are on this. I started applying my skin base complexion product with my flat beauty puff, and trust me guys, it works so well. I think I prefer this to my beauty sponge, and I think this gives more of a full coverage as opposed to brush. Brush actually give really good coverage, but I think it gives more full coverage and it doesn't soak up your products. That is what I noticed about it. So if you noticed, I use it to apply all my complexion based products. I use it for my under eyes, I use it for my foundation, and there's no interference of products from one product to the other or whatsoever. And it blended out my products really well, and it did not soak up the product at all. So I love it so much, guys. So if you've been trying it out, or if you have ever used a beauty sponge, a flat beauty sponge to apply your complexion based products, please let me know. So after blending out my under eyes, I went ahead to use it to cover out my cheek area. Then I'm going ahead to add bronzer. This is a creamy bronzer and it's really warm. I love it so much because of how it creates dimension and it had warmth to my skin. So after applying that, I'm going back again to use the same beauty puff to blend out the bronzing area, and I took my time. I didn't really cut out of this part just so I can make you guys see the depth and how well this beauty puff blended out this area. It blended it out, and it doesn't I mean, my skin does not look blotchy. It make it blend out smoothly, and I love how it just, I was able to control the application and the blending out process. So I'm just going to take my time to blend out really well, and you can see how my skin looks really nice. And I just love how this works for me, and it just helped me to multitask, and also I don't have to use different products to apply different areas of my face, and it makes me also work very fast. So afterwards, I went ahead to set with the same puff. I set every areas of my face really well. I use a setting powder to set it, a tinted setting powder, and I'm showing you guys how my under eyes is looking really clear and smooth. Then I'll go ahead and apply blush. I'm using a powder blush, and this is in pink colors. I just extended it to the part where I have those rhinestones, just to it's a creative look. So if you like it, you might just reduce the intensity of each product of each colors that are applied. So after that, I will be going ahead to add a pinkish creamy product in my, I think this is for my flash palette, in my waterline. Then what I have in my crease, the color applied in my crease, I'm going to be replicating that. I will be replicating that in my lower lash line, and in the inner part of my eyes I'm adding the pink. Then this part I'm blending those lines together, and I also want I to fix bottom lashes just to give me a dreamy eye look. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.